I think Kevin said that their dryer is the same way, that leak trap like pops up like after you.
He's here. Is he by himself?
It appears he does.
Uh-oh, look at it.
bet you wish you had your water.
Huh? Tell me about it. I had to take all that wood into the trail. Just in that sled, I had to pull it all right.
Don, you eating this now?
Yeah, I'll go ahead and eat it.
There's sauce
Was
there.
that, is that mine?
Yep.
Oh, is these
There's
up for
gravy,
grabs,
yep, asparagus,
too? What can I grab the
corn.
asparagus with?
Here,
This is-
not your fingers. No, hold on. There's corn too.
Alright.
Here, use that. Some more.
Yeah. Yes, yeah.
You alright over there?
Mm-hmm.
There's gravy. There's white shoe peg corn. Let me turn that on. Yeah, just hold it the other over there so it doesn't. Leonard, your plate's ready. That's good gravy too. Is that bouillon?
Almost choked on my steak.
Kellen's jacket's here, man. And his clothes, so.
Mom, start
All
singing.
we need now is coming. That was mine.
What?
I said, I'm pretty sure that was mine. And he just sat down beside it.
Huh?
So I'm pretty sure this was mine. He just sat down beside it. Again.
Now I'll just put everything in that chair. I mean, if you sit beside a bell, it might be easier.
Elbows are gonna be fine.
Be alright.
Elbow.
I eat with my elbows out.
Oh no.
Did you want any black pepper, Don?
Yeah, I'll take the apples.
Okay. When you taking them, Dogs?
Today. Same as Cheerios. Cheerios are good. You mix Cheerios with the corn. Did you like it?
Put some Krispy Kremes out and see if the bear comes on.
Hey, they're back there. I used to be.
No, seriously, bears go crazy over Krispy Kremes.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
You want to bring a bear in? It's Krispy Kremes.
So long I'll last on that one.
Oh, maybe you didn't need it, but I got this too. It was on sale today.
Alright.
Mm-mm.
Oh, yes.
It's close to the real stuff. Yep.
Very good.
Not fake stuff.
The side said you'll go nuts over it. I think I'm going nuts over it.
See, that's yours. Isn't it?
Look, there,
I'm going.
there's little pistachios in it.
Was steak alright?
Should your brother do a mukbang?
His would
Yeah.
be pretty good. He gets a lot of hits.
Yeah. Finish off my mukbang.
No, it's too scary.
Oh,
Not today.
not so.
Not today.
You don't want to pull a chair on your head like a crackhead.
You gotta try to do that again.
Bella's got some pretty funny videos of you when you were a little boy.
She probably does.
You were not
No, I got a
too
video
shy
of you.
back then.
I got a video of you when you were on the roof.
Oh, she got a lot. No, when he was little too, man. He'd run up to the camera, pull his shirt up, show his belly, and start smacking it. And he didn't care. With his mullet. It's like, man, what are y'all doing? Stop.
Spicy chicken nuggets with a side of mac and cheese.
Oh, mac and cheese would have went nice with that meal too. Sorry. I got you some fudge stripe cookies. I couldn't think of what you would want.
Huh?
You? Fudge stripe cookies?
Where's something like that?
Up in the cabinet.
Let me tell you about what happened when I had them. Oh, y'all remember that? Them,
On the keyboard one?
oh, that set. I was on the toilet all day. I was like gripping the sides. I was gripping the walls. It was bad.
So after you eat, could you run me to Tractor Supply's?
I put my pants back on. I don't got my comfy shorts.
We'll have to lock up because she wanted to go to Gabe's on the internet.
We're not on the internet.
And they're posted there, aren't they?
No, sir.
So one day I swear I'm gonna do cheeseburger, pizza, poke funds.
Burger. Spicy. Why'd you put honey mustard in these asparagus?
You don't like it? Well, don't eat them. That's fine. Sorry, I won't do that. Look above toe.
Oh, it's good man.
Look above toe. Yeah, I agree. Just olive oil, a little salt and pepper.
Olive oil, lemon.
It's perfect. Hey, you like those American Eagle hoodies, Don Don? They're on sale and they're soft. They'd be plain like that, though. You'd have to try them on.
And black and gray. Like the brown man, Scottish style.
There's Pepsi.
Man, there ain't no drinks in here, man.
There's Pepsi.
Where's my fudge cookies? There they are. Gotta shake it up. So whenever you open it, blast some sky high.
They better not knock you out.
And that might be no good. See what lunch.
You want any more corn, Don Don? There's a lot of corn left, buddy.
I'm good, man.
Oh, it's not corn, Mom!
Keely.
Joe! I said, call
like it.